Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by the garden today. I just wanted to come out and grab my camera for you real quick because I was in the middle of transplanting this little Nephitis plant, Arrowhead plant here. You can see it's in a really small container. So we just got some regular potting soil just for potted containers. It says potting mix on it. You can see it's a really nice, rich garden soil. It's got compost in it. It's got nutrients in it and perlite, sphagnum moss. There's a little coconut core in here, so that's going to be perfect for my outside container here in Florida. If I was planting this indoors, I would probably add a little bit of my succulent soil, maybe a little cup of it in this container here. This is like a little gallon pot in here, and then I'd mix it in just to give some more drainage in my containers for indoors, because in Florida here we get so humid and rainy that it stays wet for a long time, my soil, and then it molds out. So I like to add that succulent soil in there just a little bit and some perlite to kind of help that out. Now the reason why I wanted to show you this is because this is really root bound. I was noticing I was getting a lot of foliage dying off. She does pretty good being root bound. These plants like tight roots, but you can see these have twined around and around and around the pot. Now usually this is okay if it wasn't this bad. Like if you just had like 2 twines around the pot instead of like 50 like you see here, then that's okay. You're not too root bound. But this is too root bound to where it can kill the plant if we don't fix this. Plants really like, especially this one, some plants like to be a little root bound, root balled a little bit in the pot and their roots tight, but when they get too tight like this, you can see that this is just way too many roots for this little pot right here. You can see it was just twining and twining and twining. So we're gonna go ahead, just stretch them all out, tickle them up. Just wanna tickle your roots out very, very gently. You don't want to snap off any of these healthy roots. You can see how healthy they are. We're going to plant her in this soil right here. We gave a nice little water yesterday because I knew we were going to be doing this today. We're going to put her in here, snuggle her in. We're going to backfill. We're just going to pop her in here. I'm going to shake my pot to put her down. I'm going to backfill, and I'm going to pile this soil up to here. We're gonna have to take the soil out. I put too much soil in here, but you can see we're gonna plant up to here. We're gonna backfill, and I'll come back and show you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, you guys. We backfilled and we're done. See you next time.